My name is Karin, and right now we are in the AAC lab, which is the Augmentative and Alternative Communication Lab. And we have a device that was just donated to us called the Tobii Dynavox i15, and that was donated in memory of Colonel John Kepke. And this device is an eye gaze device, so it can be used completely hands-free, and it will track your pupils down here. So I'm going to turn it back on, and right now you can see there's a lot of different things you can do. Oh, it's tracking my eyes. There, so all I need to do is blink to enter, exit something. So we have email, phone calls, calendars. You can do a lot of things, even connected to Facebook and your TV remote. So I'll show you right now just a simple communication board. So this is just a keyboard, and I can type by gazing and blinking.
Hi.
And it will speak for me. And then I can also pick phrases
Hang in there.
that they are predicting for me too. So then we can also enter things such as the internet, so I can show you guys how to do that. So right now I just opened the browser, and I am going to type in an address.
Used.
So I just typed in UWSP, and then I can say go to web address. And that will open that right up for me. So this device is really great because you can use it both to communicate verbally and also through different things like the internet and Facebook.